excited to be here. I drove in my robot car. I think I may have damaged it a little. Oops. The journey has made me thirsty. Wow, that's better. I needed the drink. Oh no, what was in that? Something weird is happening to me. Please excuse my behavior. I felt a little strange. But I now have mystical power. That's hilarious. Do you know C-3PO? He sent me a message. I'm going on a journey. Wow, this is going to take some time. I have to climb to a space station. I have to get up here. I did it. Now watch this. It's good to celebrate with music. Oh no! What is that bright light in my eyes? Bright lights make me sneeze. Please, could I have a tissue? I am sorry for spreading germs. I can see my monster friend, watch out, has some weird behavior. I'm feeling monstrous. That's my best joke. I hope you're enjoying this. I feel really tired from all this talking. I might have a good look around the space station with my binoculars. Wow, I can see for miles. I must get a picture of that. That made an amazing photograph. I'm so happy. Oh, hang on. I think we have a birthday somewhere here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Who has a birthday today? Have a great day. It's time for me to get a lift home now. I can hear the spacecraft overhead. I think my transport is here. It was lovely talking to you. See you again soon.
Hey!
See? Thank you. That's all for me for now. Goodbye.